I guess 50 laps is about what suited you, wasn't it?
Yeah, we were pretty bad there for about the first 10 laps and had a real bad push in the center, loose getting in. Once the tire pressures built up, we were good. These boys work hard. I don't give them enough credit. Clint, Keith, Marty, Roger, all of them, week in and week out. They love it. You got to.
There ain't no doubt about it. Tell me you got a new sponsor on this thing, Rivertown Auction, and that's a good thing. You can't ever have enough sponsors, Jamie. I guess you keep putting in Victory Lane, y'all might pick up a couple more. You reckon?
It'd be nice to have a few more.
How about it?